Hello everyone, weekend is approaching again, so welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 48 deals for you guys, 31 coming from our Amazon OA and then 17 coming from our Amazon RA. So let's start checking some few of our deals. There you go, starting off with this Jellycat deals from Bobel Kids. This Jellycat Amusable Geek boiled egg that you could earn a profit of 6.15 with an ROI of 39%. Another one, Jellycat, is this happy boiled egg that you could earn a profit of 5.26 with an ROI of 44%. Jellycat Dragon Key Ring Charm that you could earn a profit of 10.80 with an ROI of 59%. This Jellicat Amusable Bean that you could earn a profit of 6.24 with an ROI of 43%. And lastly, this Bumbly Bear small Jellicat collection that you could earn a profit of 21.20 with an ROI of 106%. Jellicat's deals are up, guys, in our system, so check them out. And the rest of the websites are here uploaded as well. We got great deals and finds. Also, check out all our retail leads because we got a lot of them as well. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, go to this channel, review giveaways of late income and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, feel free to check this channel out. And then if you're into flipping, we got you a bot operated channel, which is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips. Feel free to check this out because this is a bot operated channel so updated every day. Another bot operated channel that we got is this price drop monitoring, wherein you can see all the latest deals and price drop of websites like this, for example, 73, 58, 54, and many more. So check out the rest of these items or these channels because you could get a lot of deals from it. And lastly, of course, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another, so don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone!